Is it recording? Oh, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So today, funny enough, we have got this Chinese drone, which my friend got from Temu. He had it and he said it stopped working, so I'm going to show you what is inside these cheapy drones. So, I've just remembered I need to plug my wireless microphones on, so I'm going to do that now. Plug the receiver in. Oh, lovely foot shot. I'm so sorry about that. Right. There. So, now I've got the microphone on, which is much better, I think. But I think I need to put a top on first. So, sorry about this. I wasn't prepared, to be honest, to do this video. I just thought, right, video time. I thought, right, let's do this. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. Okay, right, that's better. So, we're going to first have a look at the controller, which is literally just got two screws here, and a screw in there and there, and then I think that's it. So yeah, we'll do that. Just turn my light on. There, that's much better. Okay. Right, let's go for that would do. So now I've got a PH1X75mm. Oh, loads of people hate this sound. Okay. I have a feeling I need a different one for that. So I'm going to go for one of the little phone ones. Where did I put the screw? Oh wow, yeah, these are very cheap. Look at this. But I'll tell you this, these actually look quite decent. These look quite decent. They don't feel cheap, these. Okay, that's basically literally just all that is all in the controller, to be honest. Basically exactly just what's in it. So, this plastic, one piece of circuit board, that literally just goes to two wires to that. So yeah, that's done. Put that to the side. With the screws. Right, now this is where it gets interesting. We've got the actual drone itself. It says it's got a HD camera, and they've made it look like they've made the drone actually look like the DJI Mini 3 or 4 Pro, because that kind from from the front it kind of looks like a Mini 3, but it's so cheap and so light, and only one of these is real. So we'll first start with undoing this. Right, I think this is coming off now. Yep, they are. That piece of plastic off. But I suppose this is quite, it's still really Yeah, look, just cracked, look. Just cracked. Just look at that. Just brittle. So that's no good anymore. Brilliant. Put that in. Put pieces in there, screws in there. We'll next take the bottom bit, this bit off. But I don't actually think... Oh, look at that. Just popped off. Brilliant. Just like that. That's the camera set up bit. Can I get this apart then? Oh, I just broke the camera. Lovely. Look, I'll show you what camera's in it. There. Teeniest little camera. Ever. You know, I can make it into a spy camera. Loads of people in the comments will go, do it, do it, do it. I'll be like, don't know. I don't really want to spy on people now. Spy on people, I'll do that later. But on the bottom of the drone, you've got multiple screws, which I will undo now, if you can see. Damn it. If you can see, like that. There, one screw. So yeah, my friend is thinking of getting the DJI Mini 2 SE, like what I got. But he wants to get cheapy ones first to practice on them. But oh yeah, I was saying to him, you want to get cheap ones to practice, so then you don't have to. So if you crash it, it doesn't really matter because they're really cheapy ones. But then the more expensive ones have got so much better deals. So yeah, right. Got this bit off. The top comes off, and you got little connector just here. There, that is literally the inside of the drone. That. We'll get this we'll get this piece apart. So you've got two, which look like, well, there, pop that out. Like that. Just like that. You've got 4 screws on the bottom. Take them out if I can get to them. Oh yeah, I can get to them. So yeah. Dun dun dun. Bum 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 bum. I just want to see what the optical avoidance is, because it says it's got full optical avoidance. One there, one there, one there, one there, and it says avoidance on the front. But let's actually have a look and see what's actually in it. So I kind of do, but don't believe that it's actually got it. I'm actually shocked. They are all actually real sensors. There's camera focus. Like that. They're all real. But yeah. Right. That's that. Piece of circuitry board. I'll put that up here. there's a battery. We'll have a look at that now. So just pieces and pieces. Go in the tub. But we'll do the battery. So you have these little tabs on the side, just them. But I just like to go like that. It doesn't really harm it unless you're too rough. But you've got, let me just show you, your battery. So it's 3.7 volt, 1800 milliamp hour. It's micro USB charge. It's a 3-pin power thing to the drone. But if I go like that, yeah, if you were there and you were fiddling with it for a little bit, just like that, it literally comes off. Oh, why did I do that? I can't use it now. Oh well, so that's now broken. I can go into pieces. Oh, I did it all wrong. I put all the plastic and circuitry bits in the wrong bucket. In the wrong tub. Right. This next bit, you pull them off, pull them off, pull them off, pull them off. Then you have little connector there. One, two, three, four. Just like that. And you have one more here, which is for the lights on the front of it. There and there. Put them there, put that there. Then we have, oh, wrong screwdriver. Then we have the circuitry board where you've got 1, 2, 3 screws that you need to unscrew. Another one here. Then on the bottom of it, you have 2 come on, focus. Come on, it's not focusing. I'm sorry guys, but let me just, you know what I mean. So you have 2 pins that send power, well, from the battery to the board. So that's basically you. Just look how small the board is for the whole entire drone. So yeah, that's basically board pieces. Now, these propellers. Got one Phillips head screw here, which you unscrew. Let's pop off. Oh, I forgot about this. On this bit, you've got 4 extra screws that you undo like that. Like that. Two at the front. Just like that. So now you've got a space where your battery will slot in at the top. Just like that. Perfect. Now to the propellers. Propellers, not propellers, depends on how you say it. I think my microphone's still recording. It better be. Yep. You know, the first week I had this phone that I'm recording on is well, I was at my nan's making a video of doing the iPhone 5. That's why the video cut out halfway, and it had done that because my phone was in the sun, and my phone had overheated the first week I had it. Now look at that, very oily motor. And that was a broken one. That's why my friend gave it to me. But yeah, that's one of them. And then you'll know what all the others are like. Same process. So yeah, like that. Then I'm wondering if I can get this out, because I would like to get them out. Let me just have a look. I'm hoping that these are small enough. Oh yeah, guys, look, that's perfect. Oh. Yes, perfect for every single one. For that one. And this one. Oh, there goes a screw on the floor. Right, that's plastic. Okay. Oh. I think I missed a screw. Yep, I did. Wow. Okay, so these are all cheapy plastic. But yeah, you've got two little cameras here. Let's see if it will work. I don't know if you can zoom in. But then you got the antenna, you got the wire, and you have got your. See if I can read it on here. I can't remember what it is. I can't read it. Beacon, like chip or something. And then you've got your camera there. Really, really cheapy camera. But I think this is actually a sticky bit. My phone was making a really weird sound. It was making a high-pitched buzzing sound. That's because I was zoomed in and it was trying to focus and it was taking a while. But yeah, that is the teardown of the Chinese drone. I've got all the pieces. I'm sorry that the video ain't too long, I don't think. Oh, 19 minutes. That ain't too bad. Oh, and I forgot, and this. controller. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will be uploading some more videos of doing different things. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, go to my channel to see more. I think maybe either, I don't know, weekly or daily uploads, I should say, because sometimes I upload daily. Like I think I made one yesterday, but then sometimes I have a week in between. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the teardown of the really cheapy Chinese drone. Thank you so much for watching.